go.
Hi everybody, this is Phil from Handyman Maintenance, and I'm about to save you a ton of money. This is like a $500 air conditioning problem if you have to call your air conditioning company. Come on over. Now, if you ever hit your button to turn on your AC or your heat, and you ever get that flashing cool on sign, like it won't stay on, it'll flash. Your AC won't come on. If you try to do it with your heat, it'll do the same thing. Your heat won't come on. You're like, oh my God, what to do? Follow me. First and foremost, what you're gonna do is you're gonna head to your breaker box. You're gonna look for the breaker that says air handler or AC. You're gonna turn that to off. That's safety purposes. Make sure that's off. You don't wanna get shocked or electrocuted. Now, I already set this up, for purposes of making the video quicker. So, usually in your AC unit, wherever it is, there are two panels. These wires, wherever these wires go into the panel of your air conditioner, you're going to remove that panel. Now, once you remove that panel, you're going to see a little board like this. This is like your air conditioning motherboard. Now, somewhere along that motherboard, right, if you look closely underneath all these wires, is a little 3-amp fuse. They blow. This is your $500-600 service call. And if it's an emergency, it could go up to $750 for a 3-amp fuse that probably cost you $150. So you're just gonna take this one out, take it to your hardware store, wherever, get a replacement one, pop it back in the same direction. You might want to take a picture of it wherever you see it. Change that 3-amp fuse out. And once you're done, you're going to put your panel back together. After, you're going to put the screws in back into your panel, turn the power back on, and voila, air conditioning and heat again. Phil from Honesty Maintenance. Like and share my videos. Thank you.